Welcome to this video on ethical considerations in social work research. Today, we'll explore key ethical principles, including informed consent, confidentiality, and the responsibility researchers have toward their participants, especially vulnerable groups. Social work research operates under the umbrella of universal ethical principles. The first is respect for persons, which means acknowledging the autonomy of individuals and protecting those with diminished autonomy. Beneficence urges researchers to maximize benefits and minimize harm, while justice demands fairness in participant selection and treatment. Lastly, integrity requires us to be honest and transparent in all stages of research. Informed consent is a cornerstone of ethical research. Participants must be given all relevant information, in a language and format they understand, about the study's purpose, procedures, risks, and benefits. They should know that participation is voluntary, and that they can withdraw at any point without consequences. In social work research, this is especially crucial when working with trauma survivors or marginalized populations. Maintaining anonymity and confidentiality is essential. Anonymity means no identifying information is collected. Confidentiality means information is kept private, even if identities are known. Researchers should use pseudonyms or coding and store data securely to prevent unauthorized access. This is critical when dealing with sensitive issues like abuse, addiction, or mental health in social work contexts. Power dynamics are often present in social work research. Researchers may have more authority, education, or resources than participants. This creates an imbalance that could lead to coercion, intended or not. Ethical research involves acknowledging this imbalance and taking steps to build trust, mutual respect, and agency for the participants. This is especially important in research with children, the elderly, or persons with disabilities. Let's consider a case study, conducting research with street children who have experienced trauma. Ethical challenges include re-traumatization, difficulty in gaining genuine consent, and potential exposure to harm. Ethical practice here means using child-friendly language, involving caretakers or NGOs in the consent process, and employing trauma-informed techniques. Protecting participants is the researcher's primary duty. Any research involving human participants must receive clearance from an ethics committee or institutional review board, IRB. These bodies ensure your research complies with ethical standards, including those discussed in this video. In social work, getting ethical approval is not just procedural, it ensures that participants' rights, dignity, and well-being are safeguarded. Now it's time to test your understanding. Pause the video and answer the questions in the comments section. Don't forget to reflect critically on the subjective question. It's especially relevant for your future fieldwork and thesis. Thanks for watching this episode on ethics in social work research. If you found it helpful, do like the video, comment your quiz answers below, and subscribe to stay updated on our upcoming episodes. See you in the next one.